Dear students, today we are going to continue chapter number 7 decimals of class 6th mathematics. Today we will solve exercise number 7.5. Question number 1. Express the following as rupees using decimals. Now in the question 25 paisa. Here the value is given in paisa, that is 25. Now we know that 100 in 1 rupee there is 100 paisa, so 25 paisa equals to 25 divided by 100, it means 0.25. In 1 rupees there is 100 paisa, so we have to divide by the 100 to know how much rupee is there for a 25 paisa. Now for the same question number 2, 85 paisa. It means 85 divided by 100. It means the answer will be 0.85 rupees in the rupees. Now 315 paisa. It means 315 by 100. When you will divide this, you will get 3.15. It means 3 rupees 15 paisa will be the answer. Now same for question number 4th, 2 rupees 45 paisa. It means 245 divided by 100, 2.45. Now we will solve question number 2. Express the following as centimeters using decimal. Now the value is given in millimeter, and we know that in 1 centimeter there is 10 millimeter. So for the first 8 by 10, it means 0.8 centimeter. Now for second 18 by 10, it means 1.8 centimeter. Now for third 7.713 by 10, it means 71.3 centimeter. Now for fourth 35 millimeter, it means divided by 10, so 3.5 centimeter. Now question number 3rd, express the following as meters using decimals. Question is given in centimeter. First one is 40 centimeter. As we know, in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. It means we have to divide the given value by 100. 40 by 100, it means 0.04 in meters. Now 160 by 100, it means 1.60 meter. Now same for the question number 3rd and 4th. Now question number 4th, express the following as kilometers using decimals. First 50 meter. Now the values are given in meter and we have to convert them in kilometer, and we know that in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meters, so we have to divide the given value with 1000. It means 50 by 1000, we will get 0.050. Now question number 2, 500 meter is given. Again we have to divide by 1000. It means 0.5 kilometer. Now 5500 meter, it means again we have to divide by 1000 to convert them in kilometer. It means 5.5 kilometer will be the answer. Now 8 kilometer as it is. Now 410 meter divided by 1000, it means 8.410 kilometer will be the answer. Now question number 5, express the following as liters in decimals. Now the values are given in milliliters. So as we know, 1 liter 1000 milliliter, it means we have to divide the given value with by the 1000. So first question 550 divided by 1000, it means 0.55 liter. 300 divided by 1000, it means 0.3 liter. 1 liter 400 milliliter, so we have to divide 400 by 1000, it means 1.4 liter will be the answer. Now 1265 milliliter by 1000 equals to 1.265 liter will be the answer. Now question number 6, express the following as kilogram using decimals. Now the values are given here in gram. Now we have to convert them in kilogram, and we note that 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 55 divided by 1000, it means 0.055 kilogram will be the answer. Now 550 divided by 1000, it means 0.55 kilogram will be the answer. 1500 divided by 1000, it means 1.5 kilogram will be the answer. Now fourth question, 2 kilogram plus 750 divided by 1000, it means 2.750 kilogram will be the answer. Now question number 7, express each of the following in different units. Now 5 kilogram as gram. We have to express 5 kilogram in gram. So we know that in 1 kilogram there is 1000 gram. So what you have to do, you have to multiply 5 into 1000. You will get 5000 grams. So in 5 kilogram there is 5000 grams. Now all the quantities I already explained in the previous question. Now you have to multiply by the use 2.5 centimeter. So when you have to convert into millimeter, it means you have to multiply with the 10. 2.5 into 10, it means 25 millimeter. Now 3.450, it means the value is given in liter. You have to convert them in milliliter. So you have to multiply with 1000. Now for fourth question, the value is given in meter. You have to convert in centimeter, and we know that in 1 meter there is 100 centimeters. So you have to multiply with the 100. So you will get the answer 468 centimeter. Now same for the question number 5th and 6th. Now we will solve exercise number 7.6. Question number 1, add the following. Now in first we have to add the given values. Now first we will see this value. First 11.4, 7.86, 6.23, 6.3, 9, carry, okay, only 9. Now 4 plus 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14, 14. Now 7 and 6, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 1, 2. So 25.49 will be the answer of these decimals by using the adding them. Now we will solve question number 2nd, that is 18.369, that means 0.05, 9 as it is. Now 11, 4, 1, 8, 18.419 is the answer. Now you have to solve in the same manner question number 3rd and 4th one. Now in question number 2 you have to subtract them. Now first 29.860, you have to subtract 12.63, 0 as it is. 6 minus 3, 3, 6, 2, 9 minus 2, 7, 2 minus 1, 1. 17.230 will be the answer. Now question number 2nd, that is 52.9. You have to subtract 20 from it. It means 20.0. 9 minus 0, 9. Now 2 minus 0, 2, and 5 minus 2, 3. 32.9 will be the answer. Now you have to solve 3rd and 4th one. Now question number 3, the sum of two number is 100. If one number is 63.856, find the other. Now let the number be x. So x plus 63.856 equals to 100. Now when you will transfer this value to RHS, it will become with it will of negative sign. It means 100 minus 63.856. When you will add them, you will get 6.144. That will be the answer. Question number 4. Radhika bought vegetables for rupees 102.90 and fruits for rupees 86.50. If she gave the shopkeeper rupees 200, how much money will she get back? Now let the money she get back be. Now for vegetables she given 102.90, and for fruits she gave 86.50 plus. Now we will consider the remaining value as x, and 200 is the money which is given by her. Now first what we will do, we will add these number, so we will get 189.40 plus x equal to 200. Now you have to transfer this number to the RHS, so it will become of negative sign. When you will subtract 200 minus 189.40, you will get 10.6. That will be the answer, the money she will get back. Now Nina bought 10 meter cloth. She cut off 2.55 meters for a kurta and 5.5 meter for a dress. How much cloth is left over? So 2.55 plus 5.5 plus x equals to 10. Now you have to add these values, plus x equals to 10. Now you have to subtract this value from 10. You will get 1.95, as you saw in our previous question. Now in this question also, this question is same as the question number 4 and 5. In the same manner you solve this question. Now question number 7, a box can hold a weight of 60 kg of fruits. Yasmin put 23.750 kg of mangoes in it, and Rita put in 27.330 kg of apples in it. What would be the weight of the fruits that can still be added in the box? So what is the first value? That is 23.750 plus 27.330. Now let the value be x equals to 60. Now add these numbers, you will get 51.08 plus x. 51.08 plus x equals 60. To subtract 51.08 by 60 to get the value x. So 8.92 will be the answer. 8.92 will be the answer. Now question number 8, which is greater, the sum of 23.89 and 56.5, or the sum of 60.95 and 20.7? By how much is the one sum greater than the other? So first what you have to do, you have to find out the sum of these two numbers, and then you have to find out the sum of these two numbers. You will get 80.39 and 81.65, and then you have to subtract them. So 81.65 minus 80.39, so you will get 1.26 as answer. By this much it is greater, that is 1.26. Now question number 9, a can hold 56 liter of milk. If 20.625 liter of milk is added to it, how much milk is there in the can now? So x equals to 56 x, here x is the total milk we will calculate. So 56 plus 20.625, now you have to add them, that is 76.625. so this is the total milk in the can now. Now 10th question, in the same manner you have to solve as you solved in our previous question. Now question number 11, the sum of three number is 216.85. if two numbers are 56.5 and 78.816, find the other third number. Now 56.5, this is the first value, this is the second value, and third value we have to find. So we have to we have written here plus x equals to 216.85. Now you have to add these two value, you will get 135.316 plus x equals to 216.85. now you have to subtract these value to these value, so you to get the value of the third number. Now subtract the sum of 99.8 and 106.55 from the sum of 212.9 and 82.45. Now here you have to find out the sum of these number and these number. You will get 206.35, and then you have to find out the sum of this number and this number. You will get 295.5, and then you have to subtract 295.5 minus 206.35. You will get 89.15. That will be the answer. Now question number 13. From a spool of ribbon of 2 meter, Seema cut off 75 centimeter and 59 centimeter. What is the length of ribbon left? So first we will write the given, that is total length cut by Seema, that will be 75 plus 59. 75 plus 59 is 134 centimeter. Now we know that in 2 meter how many centimeter is there? 200 centimeter. So you can write x plus 134 equals to 200. Now x equals to 200 minus 134. It means 66 centimeter is the length of ribbon left. Now question number 14. Shivani bought books for rupees 529.65 and notebooks for rupees 212.80. If she gave the shopkeeper rupees 1000, how much money will he return? Let the money shopkeeper return be x. So what you have to do, you have to add first these two value. You will get 742.45. Now plus x equals to 1000. Now you have to subtract 1000 minus 742.45 to get how much money will he return. So answer will be 257.55. Now question number 15. Subtract 105.89 from 215.6 and add the difference to 89.65. So you have to first subtract 215.6 minus 105.89. You will get 109.71. Now you have to add 89.65 in 109.71. Then you will get your final answer, that will be 199.36. Now in the same manner you have to solve question number 16. Just have to calculate the total distance walked by Meena. Now in question number 17, the wire length is given, that is 27, 24 and 28. You have to add them and then you have to subtract them by 100, because in 1 meter there is 100 centimeters. You have to subtract them in 100. So 100 minus 79, you will get 21. That will be the answer. Now question number 18. Here you have to find out the sum of these three numbers, and then whatever the answer you got, you have to subtract 72.63 from the answer. So you to get the final answer, that will be 9.76. Now Mrs. D'Souza bought 5 kilogram 750 gram of fruits. So in 5 kilogram 750 gram and 2 kilogram of fish, it means 5.750 plus 2, it means 7.750. Now for the same we have to find out for they, and then we have to find out the difference between them. That will be 7.89 minus 7.75. So 0.14 is the value which have the more weight. Mrs. They carried 0.14 kilogram more than Mrs. D'Souza. Now in question number 20, you have to subtract 80.45 minus 9.897. You will get the answer, that is 10.553, and then you have to add to the sum of these two numbers. So first we will find out the sum of these two numbers. You will get 170.5557, and then you have to add 175.557 plus 10.553 to get the final answer, that is 186.11. Here we have completed the chapter number 7. Now you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.